don't have all of your own videos.
It's crazy around here. I'm just gonna show you inside the plastic what's going on. Hi guys, it's Thursday. I'm just gonna go over to the house and check and see what everybody's been up to. I've been working this week, so I haven't been at the house very much to help out, but I think they got a lot done, so I'm gonna go check it out. Do you want to be in my video?
Okay. Not a problem.
Gonna do something exciting?
Well, I am picking up my tool. That's exciting. I have the floor cleared for the next procedure, which is pad. More pad.
Well, I gotta go to work, so.
Go to work.
Well, I was hoping to get something exciting.
Well, there's nothing exciting about carpet.
Not at all?
No, it's all the same stuff. Again and again and again.
I'm going to be putting this vinyl in my drawers. And I'll just show you, it's very simple to do. It's a nice heavyweight vinyl. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off and it's normally $7.99. So first I measured the distance that I needed to fill my drawer, and then I measured it out on here. And now I'm gonna cut it. And then it peels off really easily and it doesn't stick to itself as much. And then you position it in the drawer, whichever direction you need to go. So for this one, I actually cut it too small, so that's great. We'll just fill that in a little piece. They just fill in where you need it and smooth it out. When it's done, it looks like this. That's the end of the video. It's still basically a disaster. But it's getting there. Not sure if you want to be in the video, Dad.
I don't care.
Okay. Hi guys, it's been 2 weeks since I bought my house. I just wanted to show you some updates of what we've done. So, this is the living room and we have carpet. Yay! So this is the carpet I picked out. and it's very durable, and I like the pattern. So a lot of people are not gonna like the pattern, but I like it. And then the walls are alabaster. Ceiling, I still don't have drapes. That's me. Yeah, so some work still to be done. I don't have any furniture still. That's some fabric that I found today to put on some chairs. Right there. There's still tools everywhere. This is the dining room table. We had dinner for the first time today here. These are my chairs. And that still needs some more paint on that wall. Moving along. Anyway, this is the kitchen. This window is going to be replaced, unfortunately. After I moved in, I realized that it needs to be replaced because it has like the stuff that gets, what's it called? Like it's hazy in between, so it needs to be replaced. So that's gonna be a little expensive, but I have a quote and hopefully it'll be fixed pretty quickly because it is the entire wall in my kitchen. So, oops. Yeah, you can see it's the whole wall, so it's kind of a big window. Kind of important not to have it all hazy. And that's the back door, which is still not painted, but the inside has a coat of primer, so yay! And then this cabinet, there's been much debate on the trim at the top, if we leave it plain, if we paint it white. It was white at one point, now it's back to plain, so I stripped that today, took the white off. The knobs are gonna go. We're gonna go to a wooden knob. Lots of junk everywhere. These are the cabinets and they're all painted, so yay! Sorry. So the cabinets are all painted. And I'll show you. This is the original hardware that was on the cupboards when I moved in. I did buy some other drawer pulls and I was going to use those, but number one, this is way cheaper, and number two, I think they look okay with the green cabinet, so I'm just gonna stick with those for now and return the ones that I bought. So these are my drawers, and I put liner in it, and I'm so proud of myself. I really hate putting liner in, though. I've learned that. So anyway, these are all painted and beautiful, and these are still not done, and ceiling's still not done, and then there's junk everywhere. If you're gonna do construction, if you're gonna have a construction project or a remodel, just prepare for tons of junk everywhere. But I don't live here, so I'm okay with that. And then here's another drawer. And then I ran out of that paper, so I had to switch to marble for this drawer, which I really like this one too. And yeah, there's like plastic everywhere. And it's crazy around here. I'm just gonna show you inside the plastic what's going on. I think the dust has calmed down enough that we can go in here and check it out. So you might remember there was a soffit up here. Originally when I moved in, oops, focus. There was a soffit up at the top, and then there were cupboards down at the bottom, and then there was a microwave above the stove, which is right here. And now it's gone, which I'm really happy about. So I'm gonna get a vent that comes down over the stove. I think that will look nice. And then that's just the stuff everywhere. So that's all the stuff everywhere still, and that's pretty much the update of everything that we've done.